Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NME-ICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn green marketing.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on Marketing Management. Today, we are going to understand green marketing. Green marketing literally does not mean green. It says green marketing, that is environmental friendly marketing. Well, it is the marketing of products they are presumed to be environmentally safe. According to American Marketing Association, there are three definitions of green marketing. Number one is retailing definition. Retailing definition talks that green marketing is the marketing of products they are presumed to be environmentally safe. There are socially marketing definitions which talks about that this green marketing is the development and marketing of products designed to minimize negative effects on the physical environment or to improve its quality. The third definition is environment definition. It talks about green marketing is the effort by organization to produce, to promote, to package and to reclaim products in a marketing that is sensitive or responsive to ecological concerns. Well, the definition talks about green and our physical natural resources that we have to presume. Over here, I wish to ask you a question that are we really doing that? Are we preserving our environment, nature? Well, think yourself. But the sudden question which comes in your mind, that why we should go green marketing? When I advise you to go green, you are constantly thinking why green? So that to answer why green, let me say you several points. Well, number one is we are born out of this environment. We are a part of this environment and we should preserve this environment because we are changing them. Environment includes over here all those creatures and non-creatures too which we are changing. They are natural. They are living and non-living organisms which we are changing. We should preserve them. We should not change them. That is what is green marketing. That is what is another angle of looking to green marketing. Well, in addition to that, there are several points like to boost the image of the firm as being kind to the environment. But while boosting this image, even that image can be extended in the consumer's mind that the company is kind to the consumers too. When you are kind to the society, you must be kind to the consumers. Another thing, competitors' environmental activity pressurizes firms to change their environmental marketing activities. Very simply, if competitors are doing, you must do. The third one, cost factors associated with waste disposal or reductions in material usage forces firm to modify the behavior. Well, e-waste is increasing, plastic is increasing, and the waste material of metals and non-metals are increasing. This waste disposal is becoming harder and harder day by day. When it becomes harder, we should go for pressurizing the firms, rather that process itself pressurizes the firm to go for green marketing. Well, organizations perceive environmental marketing to be an opportunity that can be used to achieve its objectives. The objectives of the organization cannot remain alone. Organization always operates with the society, with the environment, and the objectives must be with that. When these objectives are aligned to the environmental activities, to achieve that objectives, the firms need to go for green marketing. Well, organizations must believe that there is a moral obligation of them to the environment as they are working in the environment. Even government bodies force these companies to go for green marketing because it's a duty, it's by law. Government thinks, all governments in the world thinks. So that's what is why green marketing. There are several arguments which go against green marketing too. Like in India, we may argue that we are a developing country, and when developed countries have not kept an attention towards going green while developing, why we should bear the cost? Well, developed countries over here argue that they should not alone be blamed for this. It's something where everybody's duty is to go for green. And developing countries argue that let us reach to your stage and then we will go for green. Because development needs to go against green, that's a common belief, and up to some extent, or let me say larger extent, it is truth. Well, the balance, how to maintain, has to be decided by international bodies and countries interacting with each other. Another reason, or another argument rather, for going against green is something like, are you sure? Are you sure we are changing the environment? Are you sure if we are using this products of green marketing that will change back environment to its own position? Are, as mankind, are we changing the environment so much really, or it is a natural process which goes on? Well, answer lies in so many arguments against each other, but let me say change is the constant change. a common saying, change is the only unchanged law of life. But should we? The answer in the current environment says yes, we should go for green marketing. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.